So if you want to get the Wi-Fi password of a network you've connected to before, this is how you can find Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. Simply come to the search section here and type in CMD, which is short for command prompt. Click on the command prompt to open the command prompt. And in this section, you want to enter this code. Simply come to the user section here and paste the code. I'll be leaving the code in the description. You want to make sure that you enter the right Wi-Fi name. So this is my current Wi-Fi name. And if you're looking for your Wi-Fi name, simply right click on Window and click on Settings to open Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Wi-Fi and click on Manage Known Networks. Here you see all the known networks you are connected to. So enter the name in this section and press Enter on your keyboard. This is going to give you all the details about the connection. In the security section, you see key content and you see your Wi-Fi password here. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.